Pierre, what can you tell the people about the T0 market service and how it's going to help address this kind of new reality that we find ourselves in?
Yeah, so the main thing is we need to rethink the whole process, because before we were just, I think, like most teams, just like crawling periodically data. And obviously that doesn't work, because now there's even like so much data that if you try to get it all at once, it's taking like forever. So it's like throttling and slowing down everything. We have to move out from this crawling approach and go into a more like streaming approach, where we are going to listen to the blockchain, and whenever like people create markets, identify this, filter it, store it, and then stream that immediately to all the quote APIs. Very soon there will be the T0.jup.ag will be available on production, where when people will paste the mint for the new token they want to buy, they will be able like to prepare the user interface, and as soon as the market is created for that token, it will stream all the way to the quote API, and they will be able to suddenly like see a quote for it in the UI and buy it.
Very cool. So, I mean, obviously, this is the avalanche of tokens requires new kind of approaches to deliver that same smooth experience that people are used to seeing. We're now going to bring up a crowd favorite of the community here. Meow's boss is here, the 9-year-old intern herself, Mei. How's it going?
Hello, hi, it's Mei.
Maybe you could tell us a little bit about some of the challenges around the token list right now with this kind of flood of tokens that Solana is seeing.
So, for example, you can mint a new coin today called USDC. And if a user comes to the website and only looks at the name and the symbol, they will be tricked. So they would have to look at the mint address in order to find out that it's a fake token. And for a while now, to guard against these imposter tokens and to help our users, Jupiter has validated tokens into our strict list. And today, a lot of people and protocols depend on our list, from wallets to protocols like bridges. And we've been running that process for a while now. But today it's really like getting to our limit. We're facing an exploding number of tokens, more than 50, like PA mentioned, hourly, and definitely a backlog of PR requests. So what are our plans? We think that we are moving to a new world that is no longer binary. So today, if you look at our UI, there is a toggle. You can switch from a strict list to the all list that shows you all the tokens. And this creates a dynamic that is very stressful for projects. They have to get onto the strict list to be a good coin. And if they're not on the strict list, then they are a bad coin. And we don't think that is the case at all. So we want to give our users a lot more color, give them all kinds of tags and metrics about a token, and let them make their own decision. So for example, there can be a Jupiter validated token. And maybe another project, you're not on the Jupiter validated list, but you're a known LST coin. Or maybe you're a coin that's trending on the Bird-Eye list. And all of that can be very credible signals for users. So partners, if you have a list of your own, please reach out. We would love to integrate your list and give our users a view of the entire universe. And for users, the team is working on a type sense-based intelligence search that is typo tolerant and metric aware. So in the new world, for example, if there are like 10 slurf tokens and you search for slurf, 10 of them show up. With the intelligent search service that we're putting in, the tokens with the better metrics will be bumped to the top.
Folks, I think this is helping to kind of deliver on that fundamental value prop of Jupiter, right? Which is taking this kind of very messy, complex world of DeFi, and especially on-chain where things can get very, very kind of predatory at times, and helping simplify it and keeping users safe ultimately. So I love the idea of like decentralized token lists. Sounds super fun. Having multiple lists rather than just this single binary option seems great as well. And that intelligent search, I know, is going to make people's lives a lot easier here.